ਹੈਲਥ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੀ ਮੁੱਖ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਸਲਾਹਕਾਰ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸੁਪ੍ਰਿਆ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਨੇ ਐਲਾਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੋਡਰਨਾ ਦੀ ਕੋਵਿਡ ਵੈਕਸੀਨ ਨੂੰ 6 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਤੋਂ 5 ਸਾਲ ਤੱਕ ਦੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਲਈ ਵਰਤਣ ਲਈ ਅਧਿਕਾਰਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਜੋੜਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ 5 ਜਾਂ 12 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਉਮਰ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਖੁਰਾਕ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਹੈ। ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਡਿਪਟੀ ਚੀਫ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਅਫਸਰ ਆਫ ਹੈਲਥ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਹਾਵਰਡ ਨਜ਼ੂ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਾਮਿਲ ਹੋਏ।
Today, I'm here to talk to you about Health Canada's authorization of Moderna's Spikevax COVID-19 vaccine for children 6 months to 5 years of age. This is the first COVID-19 vaccine authorized in Canada for this age group, which means that approximately 1.7 million children in Canada are now eligible to be vaccinated against COVID-19. Health Canada received Moderna's submission for children 6 months to 5 years of age on April 29th, and this submission built upon data from clinical trials in adults and older children, as well as the experience of administering hundreds of millions of doses worldwide. Health Canada authorized this vaccine as a 2-dose primary series administered 4 weeks apart. It's a smaller dose of 25 micrograms, which is half the dose authorized for children 6 to 11 years of age, and 1/4 of the dose authorized for people over the age of 12. The clinical trial showed that the immune response to Spikevax in children 6 months to 5 years of age was similar to that seen in people 18 to 25. And the clinical trials were conducted when Omicron was the predominant variant circulated in Canada and the United States. Efficacy estimates among participants 6 months to 5 years of age are similar to those in adults during the Omicron wave. As with all clinical trials, the children in the study were followed closely for any reports of side effects. And the vaccine was well tolerated, with no unexpected safety issues identified. The most frequently reported adverse reactions were irritability or crying, pain at the injection site, sleepiness, loss of appetite, and fatigue. The reactions were usually mild to moderate, resolving within a few days of vaccination, and no serious adverse reactions were reported. As with all authorized COVID-19 vaccines, Health Canada has issued terms and conditions to the manufacturer, requiring them to closely monitor any emerging safety issues, including any cases of myocarditis and pericarditis. Health Canada and the Public Health Agency of Canada will continue to work with provinces and territories, the manufacturer, and regulators around the world to monitor the safety of the vaccine. And we know that this collaboration has been able to quickly identify even the very rare and unexpected side effects that we've seen. This authorization comes at a critical time in the pandemic as we progress through the 7th wave. And though children are less likely to experience complications from COVID-19, they can still get very sick. And children, like adults, can spread the virus. Emerging data also suggests that children with COVID-19, regardless of severity, can develop long COVID. And rarely, some go on to develop multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children, which has a very high risk of hospitalization. There have been many questions over the last few weeks as well about new vaccines targeting the Omicron variant. Health Canada received a submission on June 30th from Moderna for its bivalent vaccine targeting both the original strain of the virus and the Omicron BA.1 strain for use as a booster in people 12 years of age and older. In addition, Moderna has indicated it plans to study a booster dose for children under 6 years of age targeting the Omicron variant and the original strain of the virus.